Hi, smart kids! Welcome to another fun adventure. Let's go! Best friends forever!
Hello? Are you here to hurt me? No, little one. We want to help you. What's wrong?
My family left. I have no home and no one to love me anymore.
You can stay with us.
Every baby deserves love. From now on, you are family.
Really? I can stay? I've never felt this safe before.
Forever and ever!
I love playing with you, Ginger. Best friends forever.
A mother's love is for every child who needs it.
Thank you, Mama. I feel loved again.
Love builds families, not by blood, but by heart.
I'm home.